Today we watch as Brian takes on the Traxxas Power-Up program. This includes removing the old 27 MHz transmitter system and installing the new TQI Traxxas setup, as well as the VXL 3S LiPo system. First, we will see the receiver and ESC screws removed using the Phillips drive. The transmitter and receiver are already bound to each other. Brian is checking to see if the old ESC plate can be used. Turns out it is too small and must be upgraded. Here, the provided ESC replacement plate is installed into the system. It is an exact fit for the truck. Now we will install the new ESC with the 2.5mm Allen key. These tools and screws are provided in the Tradeup kit. Now we watch as Brian removes the dust cover from the transmission. Using the 1.5mm hex, Brian removes the pinion gear and then the motor. Now we will pull the spur gear off for replacement of the new motor. Now install the new motor with the wires on top. This allows for a clean wheelie without worrying about damage to the wires. Plug the ESC and servo into the new receiver. Finally, install the new Traxxas LiPo. This simple power-up kit allowed the car to be capable of up to 70 miles per hour, 1,000 feet of range, TSM Bluetooth capabilities, and a transmitter with up to 30 model memory.